Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Hi everyone, my name is April. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're returning. I hope you guys are doing really good. I'm excited for today's video. If you're brand new here, I don't know why I'm clapping. If you're brand new here, I do budget-friendly farmhouse DIYs. I love doing trash to treasures, furniture makeovers. I have a garage full of thrifted items. I love making over thrifted decor. That's my favorite thing to do. I also love Dollar Tree DIYs. Anything to do with farmhouse, I love it. I also do like boho, shabby chic, anthropology. I love all different styles, but farmhouse is my number one, and that is what I mostly do on this channel. Today is a special collab with several very talented ladies that I will have linked in my description box, so please go check all of them out. Show them some love. Tell them that you came from my channel. And with all of that, let's go ahead and get into today's video, which is the Shop Your House collab. Okay, you guys, so we're starting out this week the same as last week. We're going to start out in my garage. This is where I have all of my thrifted stuff kind of piled in the middle here until I can get this garage organized, which I am going to do. I am going to organize it eventually and move this stuff out of the middle. But I think what I want to do is I have these two things. These, I don't know what you call them, but you know, they go in flower baskets and you can put dirt in them. I want to make a flower chair, a flower pot chair. I want to cut out the middle of a chair. This chair here, I actually had started to paint it and decided that I didn't like the color at all, so I stopped. So it's sort of just been sitting here. So I can either do this chair or I have this really cute little antique looking chair. I've had a couple of these identical to this and I love them. I think they're so pretty because I love the detail back here and I love the legs, but I think this would be really cute. All I have to do is cut out the middle. I have never done this, so wish me luck. Let's take it inside and get started. Really quick before we move on, I just wanted to show you the ladies that I'm collabing with. We have Sarah from Pajama Crafts. I love her channel. She is one of my favorites. I've collabed with her several times before. Super, super cute DIYs and a very cute family that she shares on her channel. We have Mary Beth from MB Gray Designs. She's the one that invited me to join this collab, so thank you, Mary Beth. We have the other April from House to Home. Love her channel. She has the cutest farmhouse decor, and you will love her channel if you love farmhouse decor like I do. And then we have Kelly from Kelly's Creations. Her channel is new to me. She is the one that put this whole thing together, and I love her DIYs. She is so super talented. So go check everyone out. All of these ladies are so kind and so talented, and you will love their channels. Here's a better look at the chair now that I brought it inside. I wanted to show you the underneath part, and this is why I don't really mind cutting into it. As you can see, it's really wobbly. See that? So somebody took, and it was like this when I got it, somebody took wire, I guess, to sturdy it and made a cross right there. So, you know, it's not really the kind of chair that you can sit on. It's pretty old, but I love it. I love the legs. And like I said, I love this detail on the back. I think this is so pretty, the way the back is. And I just think it's a small chair. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like, it's a little bit smaller than the average chair size. And I just think it would look really cute painted and cut out with a little pot inside. So I already have some chicken wire I've had for a long time from Hobby Lobby, and then I have the little mesh or whatever you call it, the little flower pot part that we can staple. I have my staple gun right here, and so let's get started on this.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep.
The first thing I did was just draw a circle with a Sharpie, and I tried to hold my hand underneath so I could feel where the legs were because I didn't want to cut into the legs. And then I use this tool, you guys, I don't know what the name of it is, but it just drills a hole down, and you want to be able, obviously, you need to drill a hole in order to start with your, I think it's called a jigsaw. I will ask my husband and put the names of these tools in my description box later on this morning when he is up. And I just cut a circle as good as I could, and it really wasn't that hard. So if you have these tools, I know that you can do this too.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head.
Yay! Yay! Not a perfect circle, but I did it. Not bad for my first time. I kind of messed up the circle. Oh well.
Even if the sky is falling down.
So this is what I was spraying on there at first, and for some reason this, I don't know if it's old, I don't know what happened, but it was spraying out like texture-y, you know, there was like little globs spraying out, and so this I don't think is supposed to do that. I'm sure it's not supposed to do that. I've never had that happen with spray paint. Have you guys had that happen? Do you know why it happened? I'm really bummed because this stuff is not cheap, but I've had it for a long time, and who knows, it could have been, you know, I don't know, is spray paint not supposed to get warm? I'm not sure. So I'm using this one here, which I actually got to spray paint on glass. I would not have chose gloss, it's just what I have on hand, and so this is the one that I'm going to use for the chair.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes, driving through days and nights.
Okay, so here's what it looks like after I put spray paint on it. I've never spray painted a chair, I don't think. I always paint it. So this is what I still have to kind of do the legs. I just didn't want to wait for it to dry. I wanted to get this done tonight. But tomorrow, once this coat thoroughly dries, I will go take it out front and finish putting some more on it. But I think it's really, really pretty. So now on to the next step, which is to go ahead and cut out the chicken wire. This is the chicken wire that I'm going to use. It came from Hobby Lobby. Oh my gosh, probably over a year ago I got this. So it's craft chicken wire, and which I've heard is much easier to work with. And I also do have real chicken wire, but I can already tell just by pushing on this that it's going to be it's not as hard or as, you know, stiff as chicken wire. Anyway, so this is what I'm going to use, and then I am going to use this staple gun. So I think this will work just fine. And this was only, if you ever want to get one, this one was from Home Depot. I'll link it below. If I can find it on Amazon. I don't know if it's on Amazon, but it was only like $23, and it does staples and nails. So not bad, not bad.
And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
So I just started off by cutting out a big square and then kind of pushed it down in to make sure that it fit down in there. I stuck my little mesh pot down in there and then just kind of started cutting a circle. You can see right there, I put my crooked staples in. I've never done this before, so I'm just doing the best I can, but in the end, I don't think you're even gonna see any of these little imperfections. You're not even gonna see where I didn't cut it straight, so I think it's gonna turn out super cute. So I'm just gonna go all the way around, and then we'll put the little mesh or the little other part in. This is how I did. I've just got this little piece right here that I'm gonna trim off. And then I will kind of bend these down, but not bad. I like it.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down.
Okay, so here's how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. You can see the wire underneath. I like that. I like how it looks. I love chicken wire. It's just so farmhousey. And I'll put dirt in there and flowers. I like it.
But we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
So that's it, you guys. That is my upcycled farmhouse garden chair. I love it. I have to spray some protective coat on top, but I think it is so beautiful. And you guys, I just stuck some like Dollar Tree flowers and different fake flowers in there for now. And then the palette on the left, that is another DIY that I did. I was going to include in this video, but I didn't have time, so I will show you guys how I did that. Coming soon. Here's my little kitty. She's such a little sweetheart. I love you guys. Don't forget to check out all of the ladies in my description box, and I will see you next time. Bye.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling